We want to welcome you to the SEMA show. You've been on the road with us to get here. We're here. Stay tuned. We have a lot more coming. Stay with us. You know, we've been on the road. We've been on a long road. We're here now, so let's enjoy it. All right, everybody, welcome to Las Vegas. We're here live in the booth with Southwest University. The truck arrived safely. Our team unloaded it. We got it staged. It was a feat to get this thing in here, but we made it. You know, we want to send a shout out to everybody that made this happen. Thank you. Your hard work is definitely paying off, and the crowd loves it. Behind me, you'll see the latest build for Southwest University. We exhibited this year. It's our first year exhibiting. Every year we've built for other exhibitors, and I cannot express how lucky, how proud I am to be a part of this experience. It's amazing. Our students are in attendance. They've had homework every day to go and engage with vendors, marketing managers, hiring directors. We really want our students to get the most out of this show. One thing that I have noticed is just the crowd's excitement. The crowds, they're intrigued by our build. And that's what we wanted for this year. We didn't want to do something that everybody else is doing. We want to do something that nobody else was doing. And I gotta say, this year, we nailed it.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Raquel Rodriguez. I'm an automotive technology student at Southwest University.
And I'm Robert Galvan, and I'm one of the students here too.
This year we were chosen to come to SEMA. We were able to help with the electrical. The hardest challenge was the time that we were allotted, having to finish class and stay after school. Having the truck here at SEMA has been an awesome experience. A lot of people have asked where we're from, how long it took us to get here. People are in awe of the build. They love it. The show so far?
We love it. A lot of people, different people.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and we're glad we're able to be part of it.
All the cars, I think that's our favorite part of the show, all the cars.
Yeah, it's just been an awesome experience, and we're thankful that we were able to be here. We're thankful that we were chosen to be here, and hopefully it's something that we'll be able to pass on to our children that seem to be very interested in the automotive industry.
My name is Arturo Flores. I'm from Corona, California, but living in El Paso, Texas. The award I received from SEMA was the Memorial Scholarship, and actually I applied through Southwest University. You know, they actually went out, asked me a couple questions, what I want to do in the automotive field, where I'm going, what's the school like, what my grades are at, and then had an instructor actually be pretty much a recommendation to the scholarship. And a few months later, I heard about it and got invited here to SEMA. SEMA show is amazing so far. There's so much to see, so much to do, so many people to meet. A lot of opportunities to go out there and network and try and meet people, maybe get some future job recommendations and stuff like that, career paths, and then even just cool cars out here to see, cool trucks, cool builds. I just want to thank any friends and family who've been out here supporting me, helping me get through everything. I want to thank the school and the instructor, Jerry. He actually was the one who helped write me that recommendation letter, and just everybody out there who wants to, you know, join the car community. Don't be afraid to do it. Go out there. It's a very supporting group.
It is the third day of the SEMA show, and after talking to the crowd and all the attendees that have stopped by our booth, I want to take you along and show you some of the favorite points that the crowd has complimented. They love it. So definitely something that has been loved is the El Paso Strong logo. You got to look to find it, and everybody loves it. The next thing is the interior. They love the interior. This is something that we had to sublet out. We had to sublet the bench seat. It's very simple. We kept it earthy. We went with a brown kind of a baseball glove type leather. And as you can see, our logo was stitched into the backrest of the seat. You know, we got a silhouette of the mountain with a star that means so much to all of us. Okay, and moving along, just a quick little engine bay tour. Stuffed in here is the legendary Cummins 5.9. Again, we want to thank all our sponsors, all our partners, and everybody that helped us get to where we're at. It's been a long road and a great journey, but I'll tell you what, I can't express how happy we are and just proud of everybody that, you know, made this happen. So thank you all. Enjoy the show. All right, thank you for sticking with us for the road to SEMA. We're here, we're wrapping up the SEMA show for 2019. We're staged and lined up for SEMA Ignited in the rollout.
All right, guys, we're leaving SEMA 2019. Awesome show.
Hey, we're about to roll this bad boy out and turn some more heads, break some more necks, wrapping up the SEMA show.
It was a big hit. Love the show. So much competition, so many beautiful cars. Can't wait for SEMA 2020. Have a good one, guys. See you later.
Thanks for staying with us, 2019.
Woo! SEMA Ignited!
Southwest University.